Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into the University of Tasmania, UTAS, as a student. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in MyLO UTAS login. That is MyLO UTAS login, and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link. You must enter a username along with your password, which should be provided to you by your college or university upon enrollment. If forgotten them, you can hit forgot your password and then reset your password. If you're a current student, tap on this link given to you. You must hit use another account and then enter your email, hit next, and enter your password to log into your account. These credentials should be provided to you upon enrollment. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.